everyone! Today we're unboxing the RC8-8, a stainless steel automatic rope chain anchor winch from the highly successful RC series range of MAXWELL windlasses. It's designed to effortlessly retrieve and deploy an 8mm chain spliced to 60mm 3-strand or 8-plate rope. The one we are featuring here today is the sleek low profile version. However, a fluted stainless steel capstan version is also available. Its simple 2-piece installation saves both time and money and also allows for easy retrofitting. You can disassemble the top works with only the provided handle and an Allen key, making the maintenance of the unit a breeze. So let's see what's inside of the box. So first we have the owner's packet. It includes a manual, an installation guide, as well as a foam deck gasket, as you can see here. Then we have a solenoid pack, which includes 2 solenoid inside. I will show you. This is so that the windlass can run in both directions. Here's the motor, which has the drive pin in place and has been shipped with an anti-corrosion spray applied to the shaft. Here we have the windlass itself, which has been wrapped in cellophane to preserve the stainless steel from any marks. This is the spacer tube, which sits around the main shaft and holds the gearbox in place under the windlass. As you can see, the mounting bolts are already attached to the windlass. Below that, you will find the gearbox. As you can see, this gearbox is shipped sealed and oiled straight from the factory. Gear oil should reach roughly halfway up the side glass. At the very base, you can see both the drive key and the quick release clip. To remove the gearbox for installation, you simply have to take off the clip and then remove the retaining collar, and then you slide out the key, so no tools are necessary. As always, please read the manual whenever you're installing any of our products. For more information about the RC8-8 and all our other products, head on over to our website www.vetus.com. Thank you for watching.